Alright, here we go, guys. Round number 2, 1 to 5. 1 on top, 5 on bottom. We'll do number 5. We'll click the randomizer at the end. What the hell is she barking at? Oh, Dana's home. Dana's home early. Burp, burp. All right, the annual Batman will start us off. Here we go. Annual Batman. I don't know what year it is. July of 85, maybe? July 85? I'll put Batman 85 for that one. Punisher. The Punisher book. PG-13? Next, Justice. That's me. Justice. There you go. Next, Trinity. Superman. Superman Trinity. See, it looks like an autograph right there, but it's not. Spider-Man and the Black Cat, 6 of 6. Hopefully you can see that. Spider-Man Black Cat. Next, Legends of the Dark Knight. Next, Thief of Thieves. The Hit List. Never heard of that book before. Thief of Thieves. Anyone read that comic before? Yes or no? Escape from New York. Hey, there's what's his face. Kurt Russell. Hard to get these things to focus in. There it goes. Escape from New York, Sabella. Next, now the autograph books. Terry Moore, Stranger in Paradise. Strangers in Paradise. Yeah, webcoder. You should have got the tracking number emailed to you. There you go. Terry Moore, Strangers in Paradise. Next. There's an autograph there. I don't know what you call this one. Vertigo, Mike Carey, and Peter Gross. The unwritten. So we took the unwritten. Metallica sang that. So, oh, you know what I forgot to do? Put the auto on that one. It's 4 books left, right? Yeah. Strangers in Paradise was auto. So we took the unwritten Thor. Chris Hemsworth? No more joints is words. Fables. November. Double autograph all the way. Fables. And Quantum and Woody. 2014 autograph. Quantum and Woody, the world's worst superhero team. Never heard of it. That's not exactly true. We were like brothers. Hang on 1 second. Last one is a double autograph. Tangled Web, the 1000. That dude's face, looking at all that money. I think he likes money a little bit. I could be wrong though. Looks like he's got a skid mark on top of his head. Like someone took a BMX bike and spun a wheel on top of his head as they were leaving. I think that dude digs that cash. Click the randomizer. 7 times, 6 and 1. Hopefully you can see that. 7 times. And we'll match them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chris B's on top, and that goes all the way down to Michael K. 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, Chris Bird, you get Thief of Thieves. Chris Bird, you get Justice. And all the way down. Michael K gets Strangers in Paradise autograph. If it says auto, the book was autoed. If not, it was just a standard book. 7 times a lady. All right. That does it for comic number 2. I put another 3 up. Somebody's asking for a round 3. So if you guys dig on the comics, there is a round 3 up now. Thanks, everybody.